What the fuck is up, my people? I've not checked in almost a week. It has been quite a while since we've gotten the chance to speak. Had a very, very busy last week, so let's get into these motherfucking charts. It's 2:36 p.m. on a Sunday. The market's open in 24 minutes. And what are we looking at? USDCAD. We got another bullish weekly close, which makes sense because this little bottom right here, if you measure it out with your fibs, we had a nice little 61.8 retracement from this swing low to this swing high. So what we're looking for at the moment is further bullish action. Let's check this out on the daily. Ooh, we got a doji right here, which means we can expect a little bit of bearish action, but overall we're looking for a bullish push up to the 1.3192. Let's map this out right quick. Blah, 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 blah. Potential bullish break for 1.3192. Background. Yes, I like that. I like that a lot. Yeah, so this is what we're looking for. Hold on, border. Yeah. This highlighted region. This is what we're looking for long term. Let's see this on the H4. We're almost there. We did get this perfect rejection off of our long-term trend line. As you can see, like we are within this channel. We got this perfect wick rejection. So from here, we can look for a retest of our 1.306 zone. And from there, little push higher. It could just be a wick up to the 1.319. Like it could just happen within one day. We get a push up here and a reversal all the way back down inside. No predictions, but that's just what we have our eyes on for the moment. And if we do not get a break above, like a bullish break for this 1.3192 zone, then we can expect price to continue south, down and beyond our, once it breaks below our 1.305 zones, then we'll be looking at this 1.28 zone long term. But of course, we have these two short term zones in between. So everything is step by step. I'll be checking in during the week to keep things under wraps. Aussie Yen, hello. How are you, my friend? Doing well, thank you. What do we have here? Well, it looks like we've got ourselves a bit of a W pattern. Check it out on the line chart. Have a bit of a W forming on this little zone because we're expecting more bullish action out of this pair as well. We ended last week with a bullish candle. I believe it was an engulfing. Ooh, not so much an engulfing, just an indecision bullish candle. Let's check this out on the daily. Ended the week on a daily bullish engulfing. Another W, a smaller W. I'll just draw it out for you. You see it? I hope you do. Now back to the candles. So what are you looking at on the H4? What are we looking for on the H4? Well, let me delete this massive zone. But shit. We're getting consolidation. It looks like consolidation on the H4, but I mean on the daily and on the weekly charts I just showed you, that's a big massive W. So once price is done with this little consolidation, we're looking for bullish action, some bullish activity. This is our long-term zone that we're looking for. I'm gonna make this a special color so that we know it's long-term. Here's our long-term zone. I'll even type it up. Long-term 82.25 zone. Long-term bullish 82.25. We'll call it. Excuse me. And as far as short-term zone, we're gonna look at this little area of turbulence. And I'll make this a little green zone so we know to pay attention to it. Why are we looking at this zone? What is the relevance behind it? Let's look left a little bit and see what's Gucci. So if we look left, we can see that let's adjust it so it's a little bit bigger. When we look left, we can see that we had some turbulence right here. We also had, actually, let's make it right here. Is this where we are now? We're gonna make it, I like this zone. I feel like this level right here is a better zone. So I'm gonna take this one. Which zone is this? The 81.5 zone. Ooh. 81.5. And I had gotten yapped a couple of weeks ago looking for the 81.6 zone, so we could be headed for it. Not immediately. Like I said, this is relatively short term. Like, this is a lot of pips. It could take about 2 weeks because price doesn't move that much over the course of 1 week, although it can. It could take all week to get up here, but step by motherfucking step, we look at this. So yeah, we have our long-term bullish 82.25. We're looking for bullish price action overall. Like I'm committed that this pair is bullish. So if I'm hopping in, if I'm making a video later on this week talking about I got stopped out on a sell, like I'm telling you right now, like that's me fucking up. But I know better now, so I'm looking for bulls, ready to ride with the bulls this week. And we are looking for the 81.5 zone. Long-term 82.25 on AJ. On UCAD, we've already met this little zone, this minor zone. We're getting a little bit of a rejection off of it. So we may see a retest of the, hold on, let me erase these fibs. So what we're looking for here is either a retest of our 1.306 zone, and then a bullish push beyond our 1.312 zone, all the way up to our 1.319 zone. Or we could get a break below with price coming down to the 1.301, retesting the 1.305, and we're looking long-term for Long-term potential. We're looking long. As far as the bears go, we're looking long-term for the 1.282. Let me just make this a little more clear to myself. Long-term potential bullish break. Short term. Long term. Pick this up. Yeah. This is what we're looking for this week and long term. I will check in with you later on this week. Until then, happy trading. This has been the Daily Candle. Do the right thing. Don't be a vandal. You can rock your sneaks. You can rock your sandals. It doesn't matter. I wish you all the best. Goodbye.